Hey there. Are you tired of the hassle and stress of using traditional menstrual products? Well, say hello to the Flow Fairy Menstrual Cup Applicator, the innovative game changer you've been waiting for. The Flow Fairy Applicator makes using a menstrual cup super easy and hassle-free. It ensures hygienic and perfect placement every time, eliminating the guesswork and worry associated with traditional methods. Here's how it works. First, fold your menstrual cup into a C shape, place it into the inner tube, find a comfortable position, and with a gentle push on the plunger, the cup is perfectly positioned. It's that simple. With the Flow Fairy Applicator, you can say goodbye to outdated period methods that cramp your style. It takes all the stress out of the process, allowing you to make healthier, easier, and more confident choices during your period. And the best part? The Flow Fairy Cup is reusable for up to 10 years, saving you money while reducing waste. It's a win-win for a healthier you, a greener planet, and extra cash in your pocket. Flow Fairy. Flow with confidence.